Lion M. Siddegowda, second Vice District Governor. Lion T.H. Venkatesh, District Cabinet Secretary. A.P. Bhartesh, District Cabinet Treasurer. S.P. Adarsha, District Ambassador. GAD team. M.E. Nandish, District GMT Coordinator. K. Sunil Kumar, District GET Coordinator. L.V. Srinivas, District GLT Coordinator. Naveen Subramaniam, District GST Coordinator. K.D. Karyappa, District LCF Coordinator. J. Lokesh, District Coordinator, Family and Women Specialist. V. Venkatesh, District Marketing Coordinator. Secretariat Team. M.C. Nandakumar, District Cabinet Coordinator. Venkatesh Prasad, Additional District Cabinet Secretary. P. Vannaraju, Additional District Cabinet Secretary, Statistics. S. Suresh Babu, Additional District Cabinet Secretary, Retention. Y.T. Mahesh, ADCS. Lion Sudhir, Additional District Cabinet Treasurer. Lion Anand, Additional District Cabinet Secretary. S. Suresh, Additional District Cabinet Secretary, Lions Portal. Hemant Kumar, Additional District Cabinet Secretary, Schooling and Seminars. D. Suresh, Additional District Cabinet Treasurer. R. D. Kumar, Additional District Cabinet Coordinator. Lion A. M. Naganna, Special Secretary, Activities. Region Chairpersons. Mohan Kumar V. Jay Kumar. Jyoti Manjunath. A.V. Mrutyunjaya. R. Ramesh Kumar. Vinod Rashinkar. R. S. Siddhartha. Pratima Ramesh. C. L. Chandralingu. Dr. A. S. Nagesh. Zone Chairpersons. S. Chandrasekhar. B. N. Sudhakar. K. B. Lingaraju. Chandrakala Ramesh. Ningaraju Muganayak. B. Shivaji Rao. A. S. Prabhakar. G. J. Kumara. K. Suresh Kumar. B. Madesha. Vishal N. Raj. V. Jayant. S. Shanti. S. Sandana Krishnan. Nirmala Gopi Siddhappa. Kavya Nityananda. B. S. Jeevan Kumar. Chandrahasa. K. M. Bhaskar. M.C. Chandrasekhar, B. Rangaswamy. District guests: N.S. Muralidhara, G.S. Mahadev Prasad, Hanumantaya, M.R. Manju, K. Shivappa, R. Bhaskar. District chairpersons: K.L. Rajshekara, Honorary Committee Chairperson; Jayakumar, PST Forum; K.R. Bhaskarananda, Diabetes; M. Shivakumar, Environment; V. S. Vasuki, Hunger; Dr. D. S. Vidyashankar, Vision; K. P. Shivaprasad, Pediatric Cancer; V. C. Komala, Quest; Jude Praveen, Peace Poster Contest; Akash Bairi, Youth Camps and Exchange; B.J. Mano, Leo; U.B. Uday Kumar, Public Relations and Lions Information; S. Ramachandra, Information Technology; K.R. Yoga Narasimhan, District Convention; K. Shripati Upadhya, Reading Action Program; Anuradha Nandish, Women New Voice Membership; Gayatri Jagdish, Women New Voice Leadership; Brunda K. Siddhagowda, Women New Voice Extension; Radha Purushottam, Women New Voice Service; Lion Annegowda, Organic Farming; H. Ashwath Narayana, Kannada Culture; G.V. Balu, Permanent Project; Bhaskar Hegde, Care for Senior Citizen; C. Channamadegowda, Rural Education; Lion N. Chetan, Kannada Culture, Rural; Chikkanna, Agricultural Marketing; Chikkaswamy, Cooperative Societies; K.S. Devaprakash, Hospitality Service; Dilip Kumar Parikh, Diabetic Health Camps; Dinesh C.R., Public Relation Officer; Dr. M. Basavarajendra, Health Camps, Rural; Dr. R.C. Maitri, Ayurveda Camps; Dr. B. Nirmala, Eye Donation; Dr. Shamsuddin, Ayurvedic Camps, Rural; Dr. Y.M. Shivkumar, Skin and Healthcare; Hanumante Gowda, Tribal Welfare; Harish P. Alva, Pollution Control; Hemant Kumar Bansali, Artificial Limbs; Jagdish H.S., Humanitarian Services; Jagdish, Organ Donation; Lion Jairam, Skill Development; H.C. Kantaraju, Forest Conservation; G.N. Kemparaju, Tree Planting; Kiran Bolar, Sports and LPL Tournament; J.P. Krishnamurthy, Club Quality Initiative; B. Lingegowda, Cooperative Movement; S.L. Lokesh, Health Camps; ML Madheswamy, Park Adoption. N. Madheswamy, Legal Aid, Properties. J. Mahesh, Rainwater Harvesting. H.S. Maheshwari Raju, Orphanage Camps. C.H. Manchaya, Lakes and Ponds Rejuvenation. P. Manjunath, Personality Development. K.S. Manjunath Shetty, Hunger Eradication. Lion G.S. Manohara, Member, Team Quest. Meenakshi A, Sewing Machine Distribution. K.R. Mohan, Oxygen Bank. C. Mohan Kumar, Global Warming. L. Krishna, PRO Mandya. C. N. Naganna, Health Camps, Rural. R. H. Nagaraju, Solar Energy. D. N. Nagarajachar, GMT Member. M. N. Nityananda, Newsletter and GMT Member. B. G. Pradeep Kumar, Youth Awareness. D. P. Prakash, Animal Adoption. M. Prakash, Go Green. Pramila Nagaraj, Child Welfare. Lion Puttaraju, Veterinary Camps. S.C. Putswamy, Farmers Welfare. P.S. Rajaratnam, Scholarship Programs. C.S. Rajendra, Club Bulletin. D.S. Rajesh Dugati, School Adoption. H.S. Raju, Speech and Hearing. D. Ramchandra, Postal Savings and Services. K.V. Ramakrishna, Legal Aid. K.G. Ramanathan, Retention. M. Ramesh, Vocational Courses. T. M. Rangaswamy, Rural Development. H. B. Ravi Ratnakar, Rainwater Harvesting. D. S. Satish, Early Childhood Education and Care. P. Shalini Nagaraj, Women Empowerment. C. Shankar, Internal Audit. K. S. Shankaragowda, Social Service. A. Shekhar, Social Welfare. G. Shivakumar, Kannada Rajyotsava. Shivakumar, Legal Awareness. N. Shivakumar, Skill Development. K. S. Siddhalingappa, Club Quality Initiative. R. Siddhagowda, Mental Health. Soma Prabhu, TV, Industrial Environment. C. Sandeep, Labour Welfare. M. Sridhar Hegde, Awareness of General Insurance. M. K. Sridhara, Old Age Homes. V. Sridhar, Traffic Awareness. Shrikanta H, Tree Sapling Distribution. Sudarshan B.R, Club Twinning. T.D. Swami, Health Camps, Mandya. M. Tataji, Yoga for Health. P. Umashankar, Club Scrapbook. Veeranda Gowda, Diabetic Health Camps. Vishwadarshan, Plastic Eradication. G. N. Narayan Gowda, Legal Awareness for Rural People. Raju C.R, GLT Member. T. Suresh, Event Management. D. Ningegowda, Hunger. Shivalingaya blood donation camps. S. Pramila social welfare. Dr. T. Vasantkumar agriculture extension. Dr. H. V. Uday Kumar environment awareness. Thank you. District 317G Leo team. Leo SG Nasser district president. Leo Anurag RP district vice president. Leo Maitri district secretary. Leo A. Akshata district treasurer. Leo Arjun M district GAT coordinator. Leo Nishant Kumar Gowda district GMT coordinator. Leo Shishti district GET coordinator. Leo Sparsha district GLT coordinator. Leo Lavanya Singh district GST coordinator. Ripandi Lepcha district social media coordinator. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Line Governor, sir, and congratulations to Team Smart. We wish the entire team a purposeful, energetic, and impactful year of service.
ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ಸ್ನೇಹ ಮತ್ತು ಸೇವೆಯ ತಳಹದಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಿರುವಂತಹ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಲೈನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭವೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಳಿತಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೇವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಕೂಡ ಅದು